Hello, welcome back, hope you're all well. Yeah, bloody freezing. It was -7 down here this morning, but I soon went back indoors. I come back down this afternoon, it was just above, well, just below freezing, and it's temperature's just diving now, and it's going down to I think -8 tonight. So yeah, I don't think the camera likes it a lot, but Al could give it a go. It wouldn't work at all the other day, so I'll take it as a temperature. Right, so my plan for tonight is to make a little, this is some free meal. My plan is tonight to make a little gusset up. It's just to try it to see what it looks like. It's for the fast hater. Yeah, I probably won't even use it, to be honest with you. I like the idea of it, but it's not really there for strength as such. But I did think earlier when I was looking at it this afternoon that I might just put a bit of box. It's underneath where people can't see it. So yeah, I might just put a bit of box section in it, but that's the plan anyway. Pigeons, I wonder what it was. Pigeons on the roof. Yeah, so I'm just going to mark this up, and then we'll get cutting. I'm only going to use the grinder. I'm going to try the plasma cutter on it just to see if it's still working right, but because it's so cold and damp, I don't think that's a good idea, because I've been warming the machine up, it's going to get sitting cold and damp again, ain't it? Yeah, we'll see. I've just marked it up roughly. I don't know how well you can see that. Just this bit here, like an L. Basically, I might put a bit of angle on it or some sort of shape to it. It's just to see how it comes out, what it looks like when it's done. I want to drill some holes in it, and it's, like I say, it's not really for strength as such. It's more for looks, and it's to cover some little bits up. And I think it may give me some places to put some tie downs on to tie it when it's on the trailer. That's sort of basically the idea of it. It's more than, you know. Yeah, anyway, let's get on with it. Let's cut it. One of the things I've got to do is move that bloody drill, because I don't want to be standing outside with the doors wide open drilling a hole tonight. So I'm going to move the drill onto the bench in a minute. Let's cut this out first and see how we get on with it. Right, I just tried to time lapse. I didn't know I had it on this bloody camera. So I thought I'd try it. So hopefully you see what I did. All it is that I did start the cutter. You can probably see it on this with the rough thing. I haven't cleaned it up yet. I did start the cut sort of like a wedge in it, you know, like a triangle in the corner. I still got bored of that. Yeah, so I need to clean it up. But yeah, I don't know where they come out. It's the first time I've used the time lapse, and like I say, I haven't looked at it yet to see if it's come out. So hopefully you've got it. If not, you didn't see me cut it out. You probably didn't on the time lapse either. Yeah, but that's all it is. Basically, I watched it, like I say, cut across, you know, so it sort of filled in there, and then I thought about it, and it's too cold out here. This is only like a trial run anyway. This is not probably the one what I'd fit in if I do use it. You know, I will probably make a neater job. Maybe even use something else. But yeah, like I say, I've got some 3mm here, so that's what I'm using. It's strong enough. Like I say, it ain't really for strength anyway. Anyway, what I'm going to do, try the time lapse again. I know a lot of people don't like it. I'm not really a fan of it. It just covers a bit of time. I want to try it. So I'm going to try that time lapse while I get the drill on the bench for, I'd put it in about 2 seconds, won't it? Bear with us, let's see if it works again, or if it works at all. I don't know, ain't got a running clue. Right, we'll give it a go, shall we? Right, I've just watched back the time lapse thing and it's worked on here. 7 seconds to move the drill. It's handy, isn't it, really? I could have it so that you can put the odd bit in what would normally be really boring. I could add it in, so yeah, I can see the idea of it. Now I'm just going to grind up the bit, the edge off it. Just take the edge off on the linisher. That's it. Alright, just going to take the edge off before I do any drilling. I'm going to just wear this. So, it's a bloody good hat, that is. I like to wear these welding caps when I use them visors, because I've got no hair, no protection. You know how it is. The only trouble is I leave this one in the drawing toolbox and it's quite damp. Well, I've radiator down there, so it's stepping over everything again. The trouble is you can't see bugger all with these. I broke the little guard off of that yesterday. I just touched the little plastic guard over the grinder and it shattered and shot across the room. Well, it shot right past the camera where the camera is now. Right, I've just drilled 4 little holes in. 4? 5 little holes in it. I don't think you're going to see them in this light. I didn't draw it on camera because the camera didn't like it, so yeah, so I'm just going to go through the step drill now and just try it. I don't know how well you're going to see it because it's getting dark. I just want to knock this out, get it finished. So yeah, I'm using Miller's tap cut fluid. As you can see, so hopefully, I like this stuff, I swear by it, bloody good stuff. The only trouble is as well, I've got to roll my sleeves up. They're frayed at the end, and I know from personal experience, one of the first jobs I was on when I left school, we had a drill and it had 3 drill heads, and you have all 3 had all 3 running, and you go from one drill to another drill. And I caught my sleeve in I had a jumper on, and I caught my sleeve and it wrapped round here, burnt on my arm where the truck was running on it. And because it was an old drill, probably from about, I would say, 1950s, early 60s, the drill was, so it didn't have an emergency stop on it. So because I was tangled into the machine, obviously the belt slipped in the end, luckily, or at least I reckon it would have broken my arm. But yeah, yeah, because I couldn't reach the bloody stop button on it. It was a bit of a pain in the backside at the time, but we didn't have health and safety's back. I suppose, when would that have been? 1986, something like that. So yeah, we didn't really have health and safety like we do now. But I have done it again. I have done it since as well. So you know how it is. I don't know how we can go with these holes. These are just for show. Again, these are the park side part. Cold in here. Do it. Do what I want. So I don't need a bit of show. So I'll go one size bigger. Right, I think yeah, I think that'll do it. I just want to put something in it just to make it look a little bit different, I suppose, just to see what it does. Right, let's speed it up. Let's try it on the time lapse again. Don't know if the camera's going to work this time. Right, the camera is not very happy. It don't like this cold. It's in here, it's just sort of hovering between -3 and -4. It's warmer outside, I think. But so yeah, I'm not going to be able to do a lot more. Well, not film it anyway. So this is it so far. As you can see, I've ballsed up on this one here. Yeah, I don't know why. I think what I did is I marked it on one side messing about, and then I've turned it. I've done something and. Yeah, but anyway, so what I'm thinking of doing now is putting another hole in here and putting a slot in here, because these will get bigger as we go along, because it's not really for strength, it sort of hides a bit of, you know, and then it gives me something else to hook stuff in, you know, bits onto. I've got to tidy it up, but it looks worse on camera because I noticed that where the belt went and it's sort of silver, and where it goes dark, and obviously that silver line's not straight, it makes it look well wonky, especially like in here and this bit here. As you can see, it's not so. I don't think it's so bad when you see it close up. That's what it is, you know. But anyway, let me know what you think about the time lapse stuff. That's if it's on here. I'm hoping it's going to come on here. At least it won't be much of a video, will there? Yeah, let me know what you think of the time lapse if you like that sort of stuff. I don't know. I'm sort of open to it. We'll see. Yeah, all the rest. Give us a thumbs up. That I'd appreciate that. It'd be good of you. And or thumbs down, whatever you want to do. Yeah, but if you like it, subscribe. If you haven't already, it's free. Remember that. So it don't cost you nothing. And if you ring the bell, you'll get notifications every time I put a video up. I think I'm going to stop saying about this subscribing thing because it feels like you're pressurising people. So I think we'll maybe stop and mention that at the end of the videos. Yeah, anyway, the most important thing to remember, it's okay not to be okay. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.